Today, on Moment of Unquestionable Truth, we'll take a look at the fuel scarcity that is ravaging the country and ask if anyone has a best possible solution to solve the problem at hand.
Are you not making money from the fuel?
No, I know what making. Now small thing I just buying.
Small thing like how much?
Like 3,250.
For how many liters? How many liters are you selling 3.5?
What? 10 liters.
10 liters?
Yes, sir.
3.5?
Yes, sir.
Chai.
Tell them that you stop all this nonsense. We poor man don't tire. This government don't fail us. He don't disappoint us. Tell them like that.
The situation is terrible. And people are passing through stress because of fuel.
Wow.
So we are not happy.
I've been here for 3 hours now.
How long have you been here?
I've been here for over 3.5 hours too. 3.5 hours. I came early in the morning, like after morning prayers.
Yes.
Just to let me hear directly and see the online I'm saying. And people I'm just coming out of nowhere. People from Darling, they just entered the lane.
Because there is fuel, but I feel the market has a holding. They want to increase the price. And government is not trying to give in to that.
Okay.
So that is why these things are happening.
So which one will you prefer? They should increase the fuel price and let there be fuel, or we should continue suffering like this with this price where they?
For a normal human being, we will not want increment in price.
Okay.
But the issue is that what we are observing is artificial. There is a bottleneck somewhere until when they remove it.
Okay.
Increasing the price is not the problem. The cabals that are making it difficult for us, they should try and treat them. Increment is not the answer.
Okay. Which one would you that prefer if they increase the fuel price, remove the subsidy, and there's the available fuel, or they should continue to reduce the price and people will be queuing like this? This is like 3 months now, since January.
The one I prefer, they should build our refinery. We have a refinery here.
Yes, yeah.
If they should build refinery, the price of fuel will definitely come down.
Okay.
So there's no issue of either increasing and making it available or decreasing and making it not available.
Okay.
So what we need is let our refineries work. If our refinery works, we will have fuel everywhere.
Yeah, okay.
As for me, I want them to leave it the way it is. Yes, because if they remove the subsidy, and people will suffer more and more. I am telling you, people will suffer more and more.
What do you think that will be the solution?
The best solution is for government to work. If the government is not working, we will not have solution. The DPR, they are not hard to work because different filling stations are selling different prices, especially the sketch. Some sell 250 right inside the filling station. Some are selling 230. And nobody is cautioning them, nobody is sanctioning them. So it's for the government to come out and do their work properly. That will be the solution. It is only in town here, inside the city, they sell normal price.
What do you think that will be the solution? I know that the government is trying to frustrate the effort of Nigerians, and at the end of the day, they might decide to say the fuel is available, maybe at the rate of 200 or 300, but the queue will remove. But me, I'm suggesting that Nigerians should still maintain the queue and enjoy it even if not 6 months, so that the government don't have choice to increase it with the promise of making fuel available. What do you think is the best solution?
I agree with you. We should not relent. We have to make sure government did not increase this fuel without creating an avenue or any alternative. I imagine Japan have more than 48 refineries. They don't have a single oil well. We are importing fuel from Japan, where we cannot manage 4 refineries or build new one. So the government is a mess. It's a flop. Buhari government is a flop.
But you know, the problem did not just start from this present government.
You know, these are excuses when they say did not start from this government. Government is continuity.
Yes.
The Aso Rock is living was built by somebody. So government is a continuity. When you come and see problem, he promised us a change this, change that. He made fuel price at 87 naira. Jack it up to 140, 145, 160, now 300 and something plus. So there's no excuse for him. You come to fix something, you fix it. Don't make reference to PDP, to APC, to what,
I agree with you.
To army, military regime or whatever. You have to have a problem to fix. You fix it. By the way, why is he taking Minister of Petroleum? What does he know about petroleum industry? These are just nothing.